If you're exhausted at the end of the day, you might choose just to lie down and hug your knees into your chest. That always feels good. Gentle release through your lower back as you ease your knees towards you. You can feel your back lengthening. And release. Ease your back and release. Now here, this is a good time for us to maybe play with rolling. So again, thinking about that being a 2-year-old, maybe even younger, a baby, rolls from side to side. And you might just get to the point where you're rocking and just balancing on that sort of edge, teetering between falling over all the way and not quite falling over. So whatever you need to do here, just feel comfortable. Have your head up. It sometimes makes it a little bit easier. You might even just want to eventually release your arms and your legs and just roll from side to side. So it's amazing how that movement can really get your abdominals fired up, but it makes you feel happy. It's really awesome to feel that sort of freedom of movement from side to side and just to be playful with your body again.